Takhamuti tasa Standerton tihlangene ngemthandazo kulandzela kudlula emhlabeni ngendlela lebuhlungu kwaBuhle Makhanda. Kusolelwa ukuthi Buhle wadlwengulwa wabese uyadutshulwa emva kokuthi ahambe ekhaya ngemgcibelo eNzambama. Kanti-ke batali bakhe bashayeke kakhulu njengoba basebuhlungwini.
Sifune iJustine ukuthi idlale indima yayo kuBuhle. Ngoba nokubuhlungu kulahlekelwa umntwana especially ashone ngendlela le ashone ngayo.
uBuhle bekumuntu wabantu, umuntu othanda abazali bakhe, othanda umuntu noma umuphi nje okhona umphakathini. Umuntu nje uhlala umuntu ojabulile.
Takhamuti tendzawo tithi tisashacekile namanje kwatise ukuthi lendzawo lapho kutholakele khona sidvumbu saBuhle inebugebengu lobukhulu kakhulu.
Asiphathekanga kahle because she's a woman like us and she's still young, yabo, she still have a life.
Limele kakhulu umphakathi especially uma kuzobulawa umuntu owumama ngalesihluku esingaka.
We need to intensify in terms of security. We're going to make sure that our HIMARS lights are on because this is not the first time. I think it's now the 8th one.
Emaphoyisa anelithemba ukuthi labo labendele kubi batawukhalelwa bozankosi.
There is a team that has been established under the leadership of the Acting Provincial Commission of the SAPS in Mpumalanga, Major General Dr. Zaf Mkhwanazi, to probe this incident with the hope that they will swiftly arrest the perpetrators.
Etindzabeni tetfu ku Channel 163 lotilethelwa iNewsroom Africa ngingumweli Masilela eStanderton eMpumalanga.